A picture is worth 1,000 words, and you can test using multiple product pictures instead of a single product picture. To start a test, go into your Neat A/B testing dashboard and choose Product Attribute Test. Select the product you want to test in the pop-up window. Now, we're going to customize and add extra images to your product exactly how you would like them to appear on your test. Scroll down to Images where your product photos are kept. To add new images, you can drag them from your computer or click in the product photo box and a window will pop up for you to select an image directly. Whichever image is in the first spot will be the primary image for your product and will show up first on collection pages and search results. You can rearrange the order by grabbing any image and putting it in the desired location. To remove an image from the test, just click Remove File below the image. Then scroll down and select your cycle time, and then you can start your test, save it as a draft to work on later, or schedule a specific start date and time. How easy was that? This has been your Neat A/B Testing 1-Minute Helper.